Yo, what's going on everybody? It is your boy Steezy, and in today's video we are going to be switching out some of my ugly BMW trim. And yes guys, that is the ugly wood trim BMW decided to put in these 335i's. Some people like them, some people don't. I'm one of those people, so I went ahead and ordered some OEM black trim, and I also ordered some one-of-one interior trim, but that's going to be for another video, and I will show you guys, because once you guys see this interior trim that I ordered, you guys are going to be blown away. Once I saw it online, I had to buy it. Even though it is pricey, it's going to be insane in this BMW. So let's roll in today's clip. So as you guys can see, I already have some of my interior pieces wrapped in this carbon fiber vinyl, and my good friend David, who wrapped my car, wrapped my interior pieces, but this 3M vinyl just does not stick so well, so we're going to be replacing all that today. And in this box I have the OEM black center console, and all the other one-of-one interior pieces will be arriving in another month or so, so you guys will be seeing that in another video. But let's get started with today. So let me show you what's in the box and what Tyler from eBay had to send me. So this is the black OEM interior trim, which is going to be replacing this center console, which is wood grain, but is wrapped in this ugly carbon fiber that's peeling on the sides. So this is what I'm going to do, guys. I'm going to put it in neutral, and I'm going to lift up on my shift knob just like that. I don't know if it's supposed to come out that easy, but it just did. I barely even pulled up on that. But anyways, so now that I got that shift knob all easy, I'm just going to put it in park, and then lift up right here on these edges. And then you'll see a clip right there, and then there should be a clip right over here. It's already in park, and I'm going to go ahead and shut off the car before I unplug all these wires. And then when I go ahead and unplug those wires, I can go ahead and start lifting up on these edges and replace it with the new black one. Alright guys, so I am sweating right now because I'm doing this with no AC on right now, and obviously I live in Arizona and it is super hot out here, but I got everything all snapped into place, and all I need to do is add the little bit of carbon fiber that I got. But let me show you guys right now. So guys, here it is, the new black OEM interior trim, and it is looking so nice, and I'm so glad I didn't paint it and just got the real thing, because it just looks super flush. And let me show you guys underneath this box. Here's this carbon fiber little trim thing I got, which just goes right here, and it's just like this vinyl thing, but I think it'll make a nice touch. But yeah guys, tell me what you guys think in the comments below. So guys, I just got everything completed, everything snapped in and looking so clean. I'm so glad I got the wood grain out of here. It's about time. I just could not stand this wood grain. And like I said, I still have that one-of-one interior trim coming, but that won't be here till another month. But I can't wait to show you guys that. But let me show you guys my new interior trim. There you guys have it. This is the first step of getting rid of all this wood grain trim. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I cannot wait to show you guys the one-of-one BMW trim I have on the way. It's gonna be a banger, guys. It is like the most beautiful trim I have ever seen, and I can't wait to show all of you. If you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure to subscribe. I have some crazy content coming out this year. I'm about to buy my first place and have my own nice garage, and that means I get to film my whole vision and everything I wanted to ever since I started this YouTube, and you guys get to see it all. So make sure to join the journey as I buy my first place and get to move in and settle into my new garage and get to see all this new content come in. I'm about to go hard and finally put everything I wanted to into my videos. So make sure to subscribe, guys. Until next time, we out here.